Yo, what's up, y'all? What's up? It's your boy. You already know. Long time don't see, y'all. I'm chilling out here in the Cayman Islands. Already know what it is. Enjoying life. Enjoying the scenery. I am rich, I am financially free, I am financially prosperous, money flows to me effortlessly and abundantly, I am wealthy, I am healthy, I am loved. I don't know if y'all been checking out my other channel, my music page, Jada Street, but I've been dropping music, I dropped some new music videos. So a couple of projects in the works, right? So that's what I've been doing, focused on the music lately, recording at the studio. Which if you make music, you already know how time consuming it could be. So that's where I've been at, y'all, and also just enjoying life, you know. But it's beautiful out here in the Cayman Islands. See how sunny it is and how beautiful. Look at the water. Look at the water right here. Look how clear that is. Ain't that crazy? But yeah, real quick, I want to talk to you real quick about marketing if you're in a business and stuff like that. But first off, before I even get into the topic, before we even talk about some value, right? Before I start sharing some value, I just want to say I missed y'all. I appreciate y'all that have been commenting, that have been liking, subscribing, sharing my videos since I've been on break. I haven't been on the channel in a while, but we still here, baby. We still doing our thing, 300 to freedom. You already know what it is, right? But real quick, I just want to talk about marketing with you. Hopefully I can share some information with you that can help your business be taken to the next level, help you take your life to the next level, all of that stuff, right? So number one, if you want to grow a business, it doesn't matter what business it is, if you want to grow your brand, if you want to use the internet to start making money online, earning passive income from a talent that you have, which is what I've been doing as well, right? Making music and still applying the same marketing value, the same marketing information that I applied making money online, I apply that to music, right? And building a fan base, right? But it takes time. It takes time. You got to be consistent. You got to be disciplined. You got to put that work in. But eventually what starts to happen is things start to grow. But most importantly, you always got to stay focused on improving your craft. You got to stay focused on getting better at whatever it is that you're trying to do, right? Because that's the value right there. The better you get, the more valuable you become. So let's just talk marketing real quick. If you want to build your business, build leads, build fans, build your brand, every single day, number one, you should be talking to new people. You should be connecting with and talking to new people. Look at those boats in the back over there. I don't know if y'all can see them boats in the distance. There's some boats and stuff. Isn't it beautiful out here? But yeah, you should be talking to new people every single day on the internet. It could be in person, it doesn't matter, but you should be connecting with new potential clients, new potential fans, new potential supporters every single day. Just marketing to them, creating new content, and the more people you connect with over time, the more of a fan base, a solidified fan base you're gonna build. So that's number one, is you got to be connected with new people. So what is going to be the second part of marketing your business, right? What is going to be the second part to this whole equation that's going to help you to solidify more income, more fans, more growth in your business? Can you take a guess of what it is before I tell it to you? All right, the second part is you got to systematize your business in a way where you can save yourself time, energy, and money. That's what the word system stands for. Save yourself time, energy, and money. That's what system means. So you got to systematize your process after that so that you can reach a greater amount of people in a short amount of time, right? So the more people you reach in a shorter amount of time, obviously the more your business is expanding at a faster rate, right? I think that's common sense. So that's the whole purpose of it. Talking to people every day and then systematizing your process of how you talk to people, how you connect with them, right? Because building anything up, any business is about having a connection of some sort with your customers. You could be providing great customer service, great products. Just make sure whatever you're providing is tip-top, top-notch level, top-notch quality, so that your prospects and your fans, potential customers, could love buying from you over and over again. And if you want to learn more, all you got to do is check out the links in the description below. If you want to work with me, I still am coaching. I'm still teaching. I'm still doing that stuff, working with people one-on-one. Also, I'm writing for people. Also, I'm doing features, recording new music with people. So if you want to find out more on how to take your business, take your brand, your music, whatever it is you're doing to the next level, just click on the link in the description, whichever link you need, and you'll be taken to a page where you can learn more on how to work with me, right? How to lock arms with me. But yeah, let's do it. We going to the top, baby. Ignore all the haters in your life, all the negative people. Let me tell you right now, get away from all the negative, all the jealous people in your life. Get away from those people. All those people who think small, get away from them. It doesn't mean you have to dislike them, but for where you're headed, you don't need those kinds of people around you. You know? I hope you like my new hat. My cousin Kamal would love this hat right here because, you know, he's a fighter, he's a boxer. Shout out to Kamal. He won his last fight. He knocked the dude out within 5 seconds. But he wears a hat that's like, it's like almost like a, I want to say a straw hat, but it's part of his brand. So shout out to my cousin Kamal. If you see this video, I know you're going to like this hat right here, bro. And shout out to all y'all out there who've been supporting me from day one, from my YouTube channel to my music. Those of you who are finding me from my music, new fans, new people who are finding me today. You already know my name is John Belcher, aka Jadiscreet. You already know what it is. Got more music on the way. In about 2 weeks, I'm gonna be dropping a new song called I'm not gonna release the name, but in 2 weeks I'm gonna drop a new song. And I recently dropped a whole entire mixtape called Forever Blessed. You can check out the links in the description below if you want to listen to the mixtape. Forever Blessed. It has 10 songs on it, all original songs, produced by various producers who are amazing. Have one feature on there that's amazing. But make sure to check out my mixtape if you like hip-hop music, if you like, you know, real rap, bars, if you like that kind of thing with some melodies thrown in there. Make sure to check out Forever Blessed right now. It's in the description below. I shout out to all of y'all who've been supporting that. What else? What else been going on? There's a lot been going on with me, y'all. I mean, I wish I could have came on the channel sooner, right? But music is time consuming. But I'm gonna be dropping more videos here more consistently. But I knew I had to come back, you know, just enjoying life, somewhere peaceful, somewhere tranquil, somewhere serene. I knew I couldn't just come back on some regular shit to show y'all, you know what I mean? But yeah, it's what life is about. It's beautiful out here. You already know I'm a Pisces, I'm a water sign, so being in the water is just, it's like an orgasmic experience, you know what I mean? Like, being in the water is amazing, especially warm water. But yeah, like I said, y'all, keep marketing your business, stay focused, get away from negative people, get away from jealous people, and get around people who think similar to you and who have a similar vision as you. Because you guys are just going to motivate each other. You guys are going to help each other get to the top. Each one is going to teach each other. That's why you got to create yourself a mastermind in business, right? Whatever it is you're doing, you got to create yourself like a team where everybody on that team have a similar vision and y'all are all headed in the same direction or a similar direction, right? It doesn't have to be the same exact direction, but make sure every person on your team is playing some type of significant role to further advance each and every one of you guys. And when we work together, we're stronger together than when we're unified, right? We're stronger together than being apart. So that's it, y'all. Real quick, I'm gonna do another video before I leave. I'm gonna do another video talking about another topic having to do with marketing. But if you want to learn more, just make sure to click the link below. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like, drop a comment below. I appreciate all of you who've been commenting, saying what up, saying hi, seeing how I'm doing. Those of you who have been listening to my music and sharing it, it means so much to me. For real, really means a lot to me. New music on the way. I'm gonna see you later. Peace.